Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 5 social studies teacher. Write today's date beta 29-1-2021. Grade 5 subject social studies block 23. We are doing block 23 elections beta. Today our topic is S3, voting without fear. How you will give vote to a person, a leader without fear beta. Take out your reader. We'll read now. Now see beta. This is S3 beta. Voting without fear. Page number 143. Keep your fingers where I am reading. Secret ballot. What do you mean by secret ballot? Means there is a box like this. Women vote in by secret ballot. Means see here. This is known as secret ballot. Means this is a machine with all the party symbol. You need to only press this, whichever party you want to vote. Okay, that is secret ballot. See here, page number 143. There are many ways to vote for a person. The most common is by secret ballot. It is a way of voting in which the voters choose is not known to anyone. Usually, voters are given a paper with the name of the candidate to tick the one of these chosen. Choose and put the paper in a. So, what happened? People will vote through secret ballot. It is a way of voting in which voters choose is not known to others. Means what we are choosing, others will not know. Usually, voters are given a paper with the name of the candidate to tick on the choose and put the paper in a closed box. Means what happened in olden days, they used to give the paper with the candidate's name. We should tick and keep in that box it seems. But now we are voting through only secret ballot. Voting by secret ballot helps to choose candidate without any fear of being forced by others to vote for a candidate. Vote for a certain candidate. Have you learned? Next. This is our S4 beta. We'll read afterwards. Okay. Understood no beta? How will give vote? How will choose the person? Without any fear, you are going and pressing the secret ballot button. Okay. Now take out your workbook. See beta, write today's date 29-1-2020 in your workbook. S3, voting without fear. Read the comic strip and answer the question. You must vote for a leader. Otherwise, see how they are telling. This is a man. He is telling that you should vote this person. Otherwise, he is forcing the people. See here. This is unfair. I don't want to vote for him. I know that he is not the right person to become a leader. I want to vote for someone else. People are discussing here. They are forcing the people. Here they are free discussing. Next. How should the people vote so that they can choose their own candidate? Tick the right option. By secret ballot, by open voting, saying the person's name aloud. How they should vote? By secret ballot. Next question. Why should they vote in this way? Why they should vote in this way? See here. If these people vote by secret ballot, then they can vote for candidate they like. They will not be forced to vote against their wish. If they vote, second point, if they vote by saying the name of the person aloud, then they might forced to say the name of the candidate who they don't want to vote. You can write your own answer like this. Next one. What will happen if we do not vote for a person we think is the right candidate? What will happen if we do not vote for the person we think is right candidate? That person may not be good leader and may not serve people. Understood beta how to write these answers? See, it is very clear. You try to write your own answers beta. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.